Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Ace A1 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the speaker is not working for any reason, maybe it's not connecting to your phone or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you can't get it fixed and you just want to buy a new speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is for any reason where you just want to delete everything off of it, delete the pairing history, clear out the pairing history so that you can set the speaker up like it's brand new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this very simply. All we need to do is with the speaker turned on, we're just going to come in and find the volume up button and the Bluetooth button. They're right next to each other. And if you just press and hold them for over 4 seconds, you will actually hear the speaker. It will cause it to reset and restart. And it will restart. You'll be able to just then once you turn it on, you'll be able to set it back up like it's a new speaker coming out of the box.